Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming access and opening your SQL client. Make sure the credentials and host are correct. Once connected, inspect the schema. Identify key tables, foreign keys, and columns you need. Run quick select queries with limit to sample 101,000 rows. This reveals null and formatting quirks. Then apply simple where filters to isolate relevant records. By beginning with samples, you reduce wasted work and set up efficient, targeted analysis for the next steps. Now you'll build the middle layer transformations that power analytics. Start with precise join to combine tables. Explicit on clauses avoid accidental Cartesian results. Next, aggregate using group by with count, sum, and AVG, and apply having to filter aggregated output. Use CTEs to structure multi-step logic and window functions like row number or partition to compute running totals and ranks. Once done, validate results with small samples and compare. Finish by materializing your clean dataset into a temp table or view so you can reuse it reliably. This also speeds iterative work. Then optimize. Select only needed columns, add indexes if supported, and review the query plan to remove bottlenecks. Finally, test edge cases and handle null explicitly. If numbers don't match expectations, rerun sample queries and compare join keys. One troubleshooting tip: if results are missing rows, check join types and unmatched keys first. They're the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.